Tom Brokaw says cancer has given him a look at people in the medical profession. The former NBC nightly news anchor spoke in Billings this afternoon. Billings Clinic hosted the talk by Brokaw. Brokaw talked about the need to work together on health care and other issues. He says besides his family, his greatest accomplishment is his book, The Greatest Generation, which told stories about Americans during World War II. He says being diagnosed with multiple myeloma has educated him further on those who take care of patients.
Having cancer has been one of the most instructive experiences of my life because I came face to face with mortality. I learned, most importantly, about the people who dedicate their lives 24/7 to trying to find a cure, to make my life easier and the lives of people who have all kinds of cancer easier as well. And I have become, even more than I was before, this enormous advocate for the people who are involved in healthcare in this country. We've got a lot of issues that we're dealing with right now, politically and culturally. But the one thing that we can be most proud of is that we are the country that leads the world, not just in compassion, and not just in resources, but in dedication of the people who want to help their fellow citizens be better and to get through life.
Tom Brokaw said hospitals are an example of how the country should work, with people showing up for work to help the patients.